Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation here guys, between year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the fuse for the master window switch guys, for power windows, where that fuse is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered today, make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage, we're taking things apart as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. The fuse for the power windows, also known as master window switch fuse guys, will be demonstrated on 2016 F-150, but even if you have a different year, it will work as well. We have 2 different fuse boxes. One is located under the hood behind the car battery, and if you open it, it will look like this one. I want to show you guys here, you have really special fuses and relays that could be impossible to find, hard to find, or really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Now, right here, that's the interior of your F-150. If you come in the passenger side, in the food compartment right here, in the food well, and you remove that kick panel plastic there, you're going to open a fuse box that will look just like this one. Okay, now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So right here now guys, okay, which fuse you need to check. You can see how it starts here, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, it just jumps guys by 2. Those are double fuses here, those are single fuses. The fuse that you need to check guys for the master window switch, okay, will be all the way on the top, will be a single fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 23 right here. That's for the power windows. Okay, check that fuse specifically guys. That's for the master window switch that controls all the windows. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.